All right, have a book review today. These were sent to the channel by Elektor. Elektor has had a magazine for DIY electronics since the beginning of time. And I spent hours and hours going through library copies of the Elektor magazine. Up till about 1990, you could find nice electronic projects, and after 1990, you can still find nice electronic projects, but they're mostly software-based and microprocessor-based and things like that. But I really enjoyed the old days when there was discrete things. I mean, nobody does that anymore, but that's kind of what I like to do, and that's what I like to teach on the channel because nobody else is teaching that stuff. But anyway, these books were sent in, and I get lots of requests for me to teach PC board layout, and I've always resisted because it's difficult, and it depends on which program you're going to use. Now, KiCad is kind of the de facto standard for DIYers because it's free, and there are a lot of great YouTubes already teaching you KiCad, and like I said, I just did a series of me laying out a project where I did a little microwave amplifier. So here are the two books. One of them is the beginner's book. This is Fundamentals in Projects. So this will teach you KiCad, whatever you want to pronounce it, and it gives you all the information you need to do a board. It has one little small project in the back that's kind of leads you through, here are the steps of doing a project. If you want to go another step, there's another book, which is Advanced Projects, and that gives you a step-by-step of going through some projects, okay? So let's take a look at these books. I really do enjoy these books. They're not cheap, but no book's cheap these days. These are $40. The first book is, let's see, 4th edition now, 2024. This covers KiCad 8, so it's up to date, which is great. A lot of the videos you'll see online on YouTube use an older version of KiCad, so kind of be aware of that. Version 8, it got a whole lot better. It really, really did. So I am enjoying it now. So we have the beginning, introduction, schematic design. Everything is illustrated. They show you the menu systems and stuff, so it's not just text. I like picture books. Everybody knows that. Hands-on tour. Here they're laying out boards, getting you the ideas of how you insert parts and then connect things with wires, and how you then do the actual schematic, and then doing all of the little nitty-gritty things about creating parts and putting in labels and stuff. It really is a pretty complete book. I do like it. Doing like toolbar stuff, footprints, sources on the internet. You can get DigiKey source library, SparkFun. I have the SparkFun one loaded. I should probably load in the DigiKey one. I don't think I've done that. But there's a couple libraries you can load in, third parties. Yeah. I think it's just wonderful. So, like, if anybody ever asks me again, I'll just point them to this book because it's done really, really well. And I do think if you want to learn PCB layout, this is one of the better books I've seen. All right, so we can read their ideas here. Modern user interface, theme editor, Python scripting, you can script things. Yeah, there's just all kinds of stuff here. Built-in bill of materials generator, 3D viewer. I've showed that stuff before. Talks about putting in teardrops on your traces and stuff. Yeah, it's really good. There's stuff in here that I don't know about. I'm going to learn about it. One of the things that the book teaches you is how to do a multi-page schematics. I've never done that before. I'm going to use the book here to learn how to do a multi-page schematic thing. You can create global variables and local variables and go across pages, and yeah, so that will be really, really good. Now, the other book that they have is Advanced Projects and Recipes, and these are basically a couple projects that they've taken And let's see, they have a tiny solar power supply, an 8x8 LED matrix, and an MCU data logger, an ESP32 clone, and it's basically from start to finish, how to do, component placement, get it all up and running, get boards, how to do rat's nests and stuff, PC, layout of the, how to do cutouts, and this is an LED one. Yeah, these are great. I mean, these are really, really good. So I think they have a bundle where you save a couple dollars if you buy them together, but you can buy them separately as well. I think you can get them as PDFs as well. Yeah, anyway, highly recommended. You want to do PCB layout, you want to learn KiCad. I think it's kind of, like I said, the de facto standard for us DIY guys. And, a couple years ago, I would have maybe pointed you to some other tools, but today I think there's no excuse not to use it. It's gone quite a bit in development, and it's much better than it used to be, so I can now recommend it highly.